Good afternoon, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com about 6:30 Monday afternoon as we record this video update for you on what has been another very nice, pleasant midsummer afternoon across the region. Lots of sunshine and comfortable humidity levels. We'll start off by taking a look at the upper air pattern here this evening, and as we put this into motion, notice how the trough really begins to amplify across the Midwest and the Ohio Valley as we go into this weekend, and this is really going to provide a true early autumn feel as we close out the work week Friday and head on into the upcoming weekend. Temperatures are going to run significantly cooler than normal and really at levels of late September. So certainly a hint of things to come in the months ahead. But the other part that we want to emphasize here as we extend this all the way out to day 10 is the overall nature in this weather pattern where the trough continues to re-amplify itself, if you will, across the central portion of the country, while the majority of the heat in terms of the warmer anomalies are going to be located across the west coast, and eventually we think here probably too across the east coast. The water off the eastern seaboard is very warm, and the GFS is beginning to see this too to an extent. This is valid out towards mid-August, and you still see the pool of the cool relative to normal here across the central portion of the country, the warmer anomalies across the west, and eventually I think you'll see a warmer east coast compared to normal as we move forward as well. While humidity levels are still very comfortable this afternoon, we will notice an uptick over the next couple of days, and that will help create the potential of a couple of showers as early as tomorrow across central Indiana. We'll stop this at 3 o'clock Tuesday afternoon, and a couple of showers may dot the landscape. The same can be said on Wednesday as well as we fast forward this, but the majority of shower and thunderstorm activity in terms of more widespread coverage will hold off until Thursday, we believe, as a cold front, and a strong cold front at that approaches the region. Again, with numerous showers and thunderstorms Thursday into the morning hours on Friday as low pressure wraps up over the Great Lakes. And this is going to result in a breezy Friday with temperatures that will likely even fall off a couple of degrees as we go into the afternoon hours. Hard to believe as we talk about what will be the first Friday in August, and it certainly will feel much more like late September as mentioned as we go through the upcoming weekend. Can't rule out the possibility of a shower Saturday and Sunday as enough upper level energy will be around, but for the most part as we look at the weekend, I think we will remain dry both days. As a whole, as far as precipitation goes, generally a half inch to an inch of rain can be expected between tomorrow and Friday morning, though there will be some localized heavier amounts across northern portions of the state, especially north of Indianapolis itself. Guys, thank you as always for logging on to NDWX.com. Have a great evening, and we'll talk with you soon.